Hey everyone, and welcome back to where we'll dive deep into the crypto world that's changing everything. If you've been in this space for a while, like I have, you know every major blockchain has had one defining moment, the spark, that turns it from a tech experiment into a global phenomenon. For Ethereum, it was the ICO frenzy of 2017 that sent Ethereum from under $10 to over $1,300 in just a year. For Solana, it was the NFT mania back in 2021, followed by a Memecoin revival in 2024, rocking Sol from $8 all the way up to $200 in under a year. These weren't just hype cycles, guys. They were killer use cases that brought in millions of users, builders, and investors, creating a self-sustained loop of adoption and value. But today, guys, we're talking about the Internet Computer Protocol, ICP, and why its time in the spotlight might be right around the corner. ICP, guys, has incredible tech. We know it. Smart contracts that run at web speed, no gas fees for end users thanks to its reverse gas model, and full on chain hosting for websites and dApps. But what's been missing? That explosive use case to drive mass adoption. Enter CaffeineAI, the AI powered platform that's like Shopify meets AI meets Web3, or natively on ICP. This could be the catalyst that flips ICP's narrative from underrated tech to unstoppable force. Stick around, guys, because I'm going to break it all down for you with maximum details, history, tech specs, and real world examples, and why this could lead to massive price searches in the coming near future. And if you're into crypto, AI, or blockchain like I am, hit that like button now and let's dive into it. Okay, guys, let's start back with the OGs. Back in the day when it was 2017, Ethereum was just another altcoin, but it became the launchpad for the ICO boom. ICOs, or what we call initial coin offerings, allowed anyone like me, you, your grandma, to create and sell tokens on Ethereum's network. Basically, it was simple. Project raised by funds by issuing ERC20 tokens, and investors poured in because of democratized fundraising. No VCs needed, just a white paper and some hype. It was that simple. Key statistics. Ethereum's daily transactions exploded from around 20,000 in early 2017 to over 1.2 million by year's end. Ethereum's price from $8 in January to $1,389 by January 2018, the next year. That is a whopping 17,000% gain. But why? Because the formula was perfect. One, they had a killer use case, token creation that anyone could use without deep coding knowledge. Two, surge in network activity. Gas fees skyrocketed, but so did demand for ETH to pay them. Three, the hype loop. Builders created tokens and users speculated, with investors who funded more projects. Rinse and repeat that cycle. This wasn't just luck. It was Ethereum proving blockchain could host real economic activity. Fast forward, and it's a foundation for DeFi, NFTs, and more. Now, Solana in 2021. Sol was trading at around $1.50 in January then, but then NFTs hit. Platforms like Degenerate Ape Academy and Solana Monkey Business turned digital art into a gold rush. But why Solana? Cheap fees, fractions of a cent, and blazing speed of up to 65,000 TPS made minting NFTs accessible to retail users, unlike Ethereum's high gas costs. By late 2021, Solana's NFT sales volume skyrocketing. I remember it hit close to $500 billion in a single month. Then in 2024, meme coins revived it with pumped up fun, made launching tokens simple and easy as tweeting, bringing in millions of new users. Sol basically jumped from $8 post FTX crash to its $200 peaks in 7-8 months. It was a very short period of time. Network activity, daily active addresses surged throughout time to over 2 million during peaks. The formula again, very similar to that of Ethereum. Killer use case, fun, low barrier entry like mining NFTs or meme coins. Two, impossible to ignore activity because TVL in Solana DeFi hit 10 billion. They had a massive surge in TVL. And three, the hype loop, retail FOMO. True builders, more dApps, users created trading frenzies, investors and VCs poured billions. Enter ICP now, guys, the World Internet Computer Protocol. Developed by the DFINITY Foundation since 2016, ICP has been building, and it's not just a blockchain, it's a world computer decentralized cloud. A decentralized network that runs smart contracts called canisters at web speed, meaning milliseconds, not seconds like on ETH or Sol. Let's look at some key tech highlights of the world computer. Reverse gas model, where developers pay for the computation in cycles, burned ICP tokens, but users pay zero. Zero gas fees, this makes dApps feel like Web 2 apps. But you have the Web 3 decentralized security, on-chain hosting, entire websites, dApps, and even AI models run 100% on-chain. No AWS or centralized servers needed. Your data, guys, is tamper-proof and globally distributed across thousands of nodes worldwide. Scalability. We're talking, guys, infinite scaling via subnet blockchains. It can handle web-scale traffic without any congestion. Current TPS, well over 10,000 with potential for millions. And our chain key tech, seamless integration with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and others via threshold signatures, no bridges required, no dependencies, fully on-chain. And AI on-chain, native support for AI inference, meaning models run fully decentralized. And the stats, guys, as of August last month, ICP has over 1,000 dApps, billions in TVO, and a market cap of just under 3 billion. But adoption, guys, has been steady, not explosive, but until now, what's missing? That rival use case that's needed to onboard the non-crypto natives. This is where CaffeineAI flips the script. Launched publicly on July the 15th, 2025, sorry guys, at Hello Self-Writing Internet event in San Francisco by DFINITY. CaffeineAI is an AI-powered platform built natively on the ICP. It's not just a chatbot, it's a self-writing app platform where you build through natural conversation. And here's how it works. Your prompt-based creation, you type or you speak your natural language. Prompts like build me an NFT marketplace for cat memes, if you like, or create me a booking app for a tennis courts, like what Dom did in the demo. CaffeineAI uses the agentic AI, autonomous agents, to design, code, and deploy full-stack apps in minutes. Full on-chain, everything deploys to ICP's canisters, front-end, back-end database are all decentralized with no off-chain dependencies. And that's very important for security of your app and your data. And no coding, guys, is required at all. It's like no code tools. Example, Bubble or Webflow, but Web3 native with AI smarts. It handles UI UX logic, even updates based on feedback. And burn mechanism. Every creation burns ICP tokens, creating real deflationary pressure tied to usage. More apps equals more burns, and that is equal to scarcer supply. And use cases in action. Since launch, guys, users have built games like Kabara, Space Invaders with 2 prompts, blogs with embedded calculators, DAOs, DeFi tools, and even custom social platforms. One demo at the 2025 World Computer Summit showed 4 to 5 apps built in 23 minutes live. I saw it for myself, alien technology. And the tech under the hood, powered by ICP's AI nodes for on-chain inference, integrating with models like those from OpenAI but fully decentralized. That's a key difference. It's open source, scalable and interoperable with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, or via Chain Fusion. Community buzz, X posts are absolutely exploding. Users report it's addictive and fun beyond belief. I've sent my email to get the code to use Caffeine, but I haven't received it. But I've been following X on many other users that have been building, and the feedback has been off the charts positive. One builder said they stopped checking charts because they're too busy creating, ICP jumped 4% post-launch and rebounded from a 3% dip, showing marketing excitement, but we're just the early days. Imagine, guys, anyone, your grandma, the taxi driver, creators, entrepreneurs, hobbyists, building sites, stores, NFT markets, or dApps without coding. It's Shopify plus AI plus Web3 But on ICP, this unlocks mass adoption, and I'll tell you why. Because killer use case, just like Ethereum had. Low barrier, prompts make it accessible to billions, not just developers. Think teachers building educational tools or artists launching galleries. 2, network size, just like Ethereum had. Each app burns cycles, spike an on-chain activity. If adoption mirrors Ethereum or Solana's NFTs, daily burns could hit millions of ICP, driving massive demand. 3, Hyperloop, just like Ethereum had. Builders create, burn ICP. Users engage, more activity. Investors buy in, price pumps. Plus integrations with other chains amplify it, just like the potential impact of what Ethereum went through. If ETH hit $1,300 on ICOs and Sol hit $200 on NFTs, with ICP currently under $5, could see, in my opinion, not financial advice, any price between $100 to $1,000 if CaffeineAI goes viral. And obviously, viral mass adoption is inevitable. It's only a matter of time. And forum discussions call it a money printing machine for creatives, and Reddit threads predict it outshines centralized AI tools like Vercel. Sometimes, guys, it takes one catalyst to change everything. Ethereum had it, Solana had it, and CaffeineAI will be that for ICP. From underrated tech to mass adoption powerhouse, this, in my opinion, do your own research, will rewrite crypto history in time. What do you think? Will ICP 10x or more? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like if you're bullish like myself. Subscribe, guys, for more deep dives. And check out CaffeineAI at caffeine.ai to build your first app. Share this video. Get it out to your friends. More people need to know about it because I believe time is limited, and obviously the golden opportunities won't be around forever. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out for now.